Hello everyone, how you doing today? Today we're going to get into a laptop. It's a Toshiba, it's a Satellite, and what we're going to have to do is change out the hard drive, so I thought I'd record it and show you how we go about that. I've already done all the work on it and made sure that it was the hard drive, which it is, so let's get started. This is the Toshiba Satellite P775D. It's got an AMD processor. It's pretty nice. You should be familiar with AMD processors. I did a little cooking on one here a couple weeks ago. If you haven't seen my cooking video, we'll put a little link in the corner. Anyway, the hard drive started failing. And the reason why I know that is we've already done the testing. So let's open it up and put a new one in it. Here's our new hard drive here. Now, a new hard drive doesn't come with a caddy, and the caddy is this metal part that goes around the outside of the drive. So you always have to replace the caddy off the old one when you change it over and put it on the new one. So what I like to do is line these up. Here's the old, here's the new, and just transfer it over one screw at a time. They used to make these caddies out of a solid piece of steel, and now you can see it's basically just a piece of cheap foil. And the foil is designed to keep out the RF interference, the radio interference, so it can be FCC certified. That's why they make it with the foil. But they've really made them cheap. Inside the Toshibas, of course, they use their own Toshiba hard drives. The one I'm putting in there is a Seagate. I've got to be honest with you about these Toshiba hard drives. I've replaced a lot of hard drive units inside laptops, and a good amount of them were Toshibas, so take that for what it's worth. The Seagates last pretty well. I've got some Seagates that are just a couple hundred meg that still works fine, so yeah, I guess if they're driving the cost down on this stuff, they got to make something cheaper. Okay, so I've got it back in the holder, and it's just a matter of lining it back up in there and sliding it in. Just like that. Okay, again, this is a Satellite P775D Satellite hard drive replacement. As usual, thanks for watching. We're going to take this machine over, put some disk in it, format the hard drive, put the Windows 7 operating system back on it, and test it out. Call the customer. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Hey guys, this is Steve. Thanks for watching. Hey, don't forget to subscribe if you like this video, and be sure to rate and comment. See ya.